Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can sign up for Canva. Canva is a very popular graphic design platform that allows you to create stunning visuals for your social media, your marketing materials, presentations, and much more. So let's get started. First, let's go to the Canva website, that is canva.com, or you can go to Google and type Canva and open the website. And once you are on homepage, you can see on top right, there is a sign up button. Just click on it. And here are some of the options that you can choose with. You can continue with your Google account, your Facebook account, your Microsoft, or the email. We're going to go with the email. If you have any Google account, you can select this option and vice versa. Let's continue with the email. Now let's get on with the sign up process. I'm going to write the email here. Now click on continue. Now write the code that is sent to your email address. And click on continue. And there you go. It is just that simple. And congratulations, you have successfully signed up for the Canva. Now you will be taken to the Canva homepage where you can start creating your first design. Before you get started, take some time to explore the platform and familiarize yourself with its feature. Canva offers a wide range of templates, images, and design elements that you can use to create professional looking design in just a few minutes. For example, by scrolling down, you can see all of these designs, and these are templates that you can use for free. And now by scrolling, you can see all of these designs. Just click on it, and you can click on customize this template to make your own. And that's why you can sign up for Canva in just a few minutes. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.